Stop by and take a look at the 2015 200. This mid-sized sedan from Chrysler is loaded with modern comforts. Thicker seats, LED lighting, and noise dampeners are just a few. This 200 model for Chrysler takes an aggressive step into a competitive market. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote start, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, engine immobilizer, four-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror, front-wheel drive, brake assist. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.